Scotland is introducing its students to agriculture through farming technologies like hydroponics and aeroponics. And joining me now, Vice Principal Keisha Brainbridge and students Alexia Rohn, Quayne Raymond, Shade Anderson, and Jaheem Bryan. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Who was laughing at Uncle Nefril? All of you. All of you. Not you, Quayne. Okay. So, Madam VP, please tell me about this program. You guys won an award last year at the 4-H Club event in the parish. Why did you decide to introduce this in a primary school?
Well, the 4-H Club is looking at climate smart technologies, and they have been promoting it for the past couple of years. So we brought it into our school because we thought it was prudent to inculcate love of farming and the respect for farming as a whole in the school from an early age, so that when they grow up, they will understand that the farmer is the backbone of the community.
Yeah, so are a lot of them involved? 4 are here now. Do you have more students who are involved at school?
Yes, we do. So because the 4-H is so wide, every year we register everybody as a 4-H member. So we do different training. So present we have 534 students, and everybody is registered under the 4-H umbrella, which includes agricultural leadership training and environmental practices.
Alexia, what do you love about this? What do you love about doing this?
I love that I'm learning how to plant, and I'm learning more about our environment.
Yes, and what do you understand about technology like hydroponics and aeroponics? Why are they important to farming?
They're important because it is not wasting as much water as you would if you were using a hose to water.
Gotcha. So you get to plant stuff. Quayne, you're watching it grow. What is that like?
Like germination.
Do you enjoy doing it?
Yes, miss.
Does it give you satisfaction to put the seedling in the ground and then see it as a plant after?
Yes, miss.
Yeah? You really enjoy that about it?
Yes, miss.
And so why would you encourage like even your friends and your colleagues and stuff to know that this stuff is important? Why is it important to you?
Because I want to learn about more germination and how they grow into a plant.
And what do you guys do with the food that you grow at school?
We
I hear it in the canteen? You have some
Yes,
stuff
we
in the
utilize
canteen?
them in the canteen, and if we have a surplus, then parents will support and buy them as well.
That's fantastic. Shade, you're a green thumber. You love to plant, you love to reap. What do you love most about this program? What do you enjoy about doing this?
Miss, I enjoy doing 4-H for many different reasons, as it helps us to learn how to protect our environments and how to rear our animals and grow up our plants so we can better our environment and the world around us.
Yes, Smarty? Which part you love the most? You put on overalls and dig up dirt, you put on gloves, you in the mud, how does it work?
My favorite part is when you dig a hole in the soil and you would place a seedling there and you put all your love and care into the seedling so it will grow into a tall and healthy plant.
Yeah. What's your favorite kind of plant to plant? Do you have one? Anybody has just one?
I have one.
Which one do you like?
My favorite plant to grow is lettuce. It is really fun to plant.
Do you eat it?
Yes.
Do you all eat your vegetables?
Yes.
Quayne, what's your favorite one to plant?
my favorite plant to grow is tomato.
Tomatoes. Yes. And you eat them too?
Yes, miss.
Good, very good. Jaheem, you're the last one. Your parents are farmers?
Not really my parents. My parents enjoy farming.
They enjoy farming.
But my great-grandfather and my grand-uncle enjoys farming a lot, and that's what they do for a living.
You enjoy it too?
No, not really, but I will do it.
Yes, because you can do it, but it's not going to be your career path.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can do it, and doing it now makes you realize how important it is, especially these techniques that you guys use. Tell me how hydroponics works, guys. For those who are watching who say, what do these kids mean by hydroponics and aeroponics? How does it work? Is it a greenhouse that you go into, and can somebody talk me through the process from planting to reaping?
So,
Quick, hold on, Miss. Quayne, go ahead. You're going to start.
I was going to think. I was going to think.
Okay, anybody else want to try before Miss Brainbridge jumps in? I feel like
Okay.
we're in junior school challenge quiz. Yes, go on.
Okay, so we have a system that is called a drip system.
Yeah.
That is where our tank is used for timer. We have a timer on the tank, so it processes through the plants and it also conserves and does not waste water. So because water is scarce nowadays, so
You don't know when we're
we
gonna have
conserve it, and we also have it for a limited time. You don't need to watch it. You just for our school we set it for 6 hours and 15 minutes. 6 hours every day and 15 minutes. Like 6 hours, like every 6 hours you have water for 15 minutes.
Yes, so it's not a timer.
Very efficient.
Yes.
Love that explanation. Miss, you're doing something right with these kiddos, man.
They love it.
They love it.
They love it, and the buy-ins from the parents as well. So the parents will come in and assist us, and the other stakeholders as well, the business community. They come in because they are enthused about the program.
So you're getting buy-in from everywhere.
Yes.
So then the program has grown.
It has grown.
Tell me how it has grown since you started.
Okay, so when it started, Miss Katie and Aiden and Mr. Demon Wright were at the helm of the 4-H Club with myself. So we started from scratch with some few plans, and then we decided that we wanted to try to be top school in the area. With a little help and a little guidance, we were successful, and we won Best Garden in Portland 2023. And as a result of that, the Jamaica 4-H Club, with their global environmental facilities, they have decided to partner with us, and they have upgraded our school garden.
Excellent.
So they have put some inputs in there to make it more efficient. Drip irrigation system. We have a tank that does rainwater harvesting. As they told you, it's on a timer. So they set the timer and makes it more efficient for the watering of the plants. So it's sustainable. So it's all about sustainable agriculture.
Yeah, and feeding your community.
Yes.
Because not only is the school benefiting, but the community is benefiting as well.
Yes,
It's a fantastic program. Good job, guys. It's a go team. High five, Auntie. Well done.
Thank you, Miss.
And congratulations to all of you. Well done, Miss.
Thank you.
Congrats. And more awards hopefully are in the future.
Definitely.
And you can serve as a beacon school and best practice with the other primary schools.
That's why they place the inputs in our school. So through the small projects program, the hope is for our school to be the training school, the main
Excellent.
training school for other high schools and the other stakeholders in the community.
Well done. Congratulations on a successful program. Well done, kiddos. Proud of you.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
you.
Vice Principal Keisha Brainbridge, students Alexia Rowan, Quinn Raymond, Shade Anderson, and Jean Bryan, all from Buff Bay Primary, and doing fantastic things. Guys, we're going to go to a break. Can you just wave to everybody at school? Wave to all the teachers. Tell them you see them soon. They're going to be
See you soon.
Yeah, they're going to be late for school, but it's
Hasta luego.
it's Neffel's fault. Watch out. After the break, we catch up with popular sound system selectors Liquor Shaba and Bad Girl Marie. Soon come back.